All right, guys. So you're working with F16 Media. I want to record your, uh, feedback. That how is the service so far? Customer service, support, and all the operations. What is the feedback?
Well, I really appreciate everything that Muhammad is doing for us. He's very compromised in his work. He put his passion in it, and I'm grateful I'm working with him. And I give him a 10 out of 10. It's perfect, and everything that I'm seeing so far has been so good, and I hope it keeps being that way.
I think Mohammed is the best. I worked with a couple of people before, and everyone is like, I don't want to say bad things about another people, but you understand. I think Mohammed is the best, and he gave me good jobs, and he gave me a lot of leads. I'm not gonna lie to people. He's perfect. He do all the job in million to million, like that, not 10 to 10, like million to million, and it's perfect. It's perfect. That's it. I don't know what to say. Just perfect.
Like for
We love
marketing.
Muhammad.
Thank you. For marketing, for website, and like especially for air duct industry, what would like to say, like the people who are planning to launch their air duct business or home service business.
Actually, I feel like in the marketing area, he's very professional with it. Um, the designs, everything, it's very good and very nice. As I say, he really put the passion to it. He really makes his effort to make things good and make things look nice.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.